Hello guys, in today's video I talk about how to fix WhatsApp images not showing in gallery problem. So the answer is easy. Just go to the settings and then scroll down to the apps section and then go to the search and search WhatsApp. Then go to the storage and here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone or maybe turn the Wi-Fi off and on and the Bluetooth off and on. And if it didn't work again, maybe try to clear data, but be careful. If you clear data, all your files and all the media and the chats and the messages and the files will be deleted. So be careful if you want to clear your data. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.